want to escape. I just can't go. 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 I can feel her on my skin. I can taste her on my tongue. She's the sweetest thing of sin. The more I get, the more I want. She wants to hold me. So closer, closer, closer. Hey, and I just can't pull myself away. Hinahanap kita. Sabi sa'yo, kahit maghapon na tayong magkasama, parang telesine ang ating ending. Hatid sa bahay ko, sa bahay ko na sa pamangkin, sa bye, bye, bye. Sa bahay magaling kahit kanino sa bangit sa gabi sa bawat minuto na lumilipas. Hinahanap kita. Hinahanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana. Hinahanap kita. Hinahanap kita. Sa tutap na ceremony hanggang uwian araw-araw. Hinahanap kita. At kahit na maghanapin, magkatuluyan palang araw. Hanapin ka. Hanapin ka. You are everything and deep understand. It's so hard to just turn around. As I walk up to your door, my head turns against the floor. 'Cause I can't look you in the eyes and say, when you open the door and hold you close tonight, it just don't feel right. 'Cause I can love you more than this. Yeah, when you open and hold you close tonight, it just don't feel right. 'Cause I can love you more than this. I can love you more than this. If I would you see me? Would you see me? In my arms and rescue me? We when you leave, it's gonna get. It just don't feel right. 'Cause I can love you more than this. Yeah. When I lay you down, I might just die inside. It just don't feel right. 'Cause I can love you more than this. just won't feel right.